This might be easy for indigos to translate, but sometimes I put things up like this for children to think about, if you will, process mathematically when you get into time vectors, time and space vectors, right? So I'm going to share some experiences that I had that when you think of blowing your mind, it's there aren't coincidences why certain events appear on your visible light spectrum, why they occur that 1 second and doesn't make any sense when it's related to 5 seconds before that. So I'll provide a couple of examples, okay, of what I experienced. So the first one that I'm going to share had to do with when I went to the island of Kauai, which is like home base. Okay, when I left in the middle of December of what would that be? 2022? No, see, this is 23, right? Okay, so 21. I flew there to Lihue. So I think I shared what happened on the first plane that I got on. And by the way, that United flight is named 41s. Okay, Kauai is 41s. 41s. And there's not a coincidence with that either. And there's not a coincidence why they call it U and then N, I, and then T, and then ED. Okay. And I invoked rainbow protection, and the entire plane was covered in a rainbow, rainbow circle, rainbow round table, protecting the flight all the way to Lihue. Okay. So I flew out of San Francisco International Airport. The first plane, I think I covered that about something wasn't working right on the plane, and I knew it, and knew that we were going to deplane and get on another plane. It's like having a built-in looking glass, right? And so when I had gotten back from Lihue, right, and fired up my phone, now I'm back on the mainland, right? The Android, which is the AI, the QI, if you will, is informing me that I had never left that airport. Okay? Because the clock stamp, the date stamp on the phone was the same as the day that I was still in San Francisco before I jumped on that airplane. Okay? Put that together. Okay? And something else happened. I have a small hole in my left shoulder where I've been diffusing stuff that when you're a transmutation machine, you're kicking all kinds of goo codes out, right? Residual stuff you're getting rid of, right? Out of orifices. And so that healed. I managed to be able to heal that one night. I shared how I did that sitting in the back, lying in the back of a Ford Explorer. Oops, I ran out of time.